Hello students, in my today's video, we'll be discussing about formal charge. Formal charge of an atom in a polyatomic molecule or ion may be defined as the difference between the number of valence electrons of that atom in an isolated or free state and the number of electrons assigned to that atom in the Lewis structure. Need not worry if you have not understood this definition.
Mathematically, the above statement can be represented as formal charge equal to valence electrons in free atom minus electrons surrounding the atom in Lewis structure. The formula given in NCERT textbook is formal charge equal to valence electron minus lone pair minus 1 by 2 into bond pair. Actually, the definition which is given in NCERT textbook itself is the trick which we are going to use based on the first formula which we have written.
Okay, let us go with the examples. I have taken two example, ozone and carbonate ion. Ozone is O3 and carbonate ion is CO3 2 minus. So first thing you should know writing of the Lewis dot structure, and to write the Lewis dot structure you should be knowing the valence electron. In my previous video I have explained how to find out the valence electron. You can go through the previous video if you haven't watched it. So let us consider the example O3. Oxygen has how many valence electrons? 6 valence electrons in its free atom. Okay, now we are having O3. So Lewis dot structure means what? You have to write the structure in such a way that it should have 8 electrons surrounding it, and the Lewis dot structure for ozone is this. Okay, now in a free atom, how many valence electrons do we have in oxygen? 6. Since we are having 3 oxygen atoms, so 6 3s are 18. See that whether have you represented 18 electrons around this oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So there are 18 electrons. Now we will find out the formal charge. So before finding the formal charge, let's number the oxygen atom. Here let us consider this as first oxygen atom, this as second, and this as third oxygen atom. The first oxygen atom, on the first oxygen atom, what was the formula for formal charge which I have said you? Valence electron in free atom minus electrons in Lewis structure surrounding that atom. So let us consider our oxygen one. We know valence electron in oxygen are 6. In this, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which are towards oxygen one only you have to consider. So how many do we have? 6 valence electrons. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, the formal charge on first oxygen is 0. So let us consider it as 0. Let us go with the second oxygen atom. Same formula, formal charge is equal to valence electron in free atom. How many do we have? 6 minus how many electrons do we have surrounding the second oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1 plus 1. So what is the formal charge on second oxygen atom? It is plus 1. Let us go with the third oxygen atom. On the third oxygen atom, again we'll apply the same formula. Valence electron is equal to 6 minus how many electrons are surrounding this oxygen atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 is 7. So 6 minus 7, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the formal charge on third oxygen atom is minus 1. So this is how you have to find out the formal charge directly using this trick. Let us go with our next example, carbonate ion. So carbon valence electrons are 4, oxygen 6 valence electron. Totally we are having 3 oxygens. So 3 oxygens total valence electron becomes equal to 18. Since it has a negative charge, that is minus 2 charge, negative charge indicates the addition of electron. So we'll consider plus 2 electron. Therefore, the total electrons in carbonate ion are 4 plus 18 plus 2, which is equal to 24 electrons. And when you write the Lewis dot structure, this is the Lewis dot structure which we get, which states that each element should satisfy octet rule, that is 8 electrons surrounding each element. Now we need overall charge is minus 2. we need to know that what is the formal charge on each atom. So let us number the oxygen atoms. Again, 1, 2 and 3. Quickly we'll apply the formula which we have used in our previous example with respect to first oxygen. So what was the formula? Formal charge was equal to valence electrons in free atom. So oxygen, how many valence electron do we have? 6. In this Lewis dot structure, how many electrons do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and near this oxygen 1, that is 7. So 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. That means the one of the minus charge is contributed by this oxygen. Let us go with the second oxygen atom. So what was the formula again? Formal charge is equal to valence electron, that is 6, minus how many electrons are surrounding oxygen here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Let us go with our third oxygen. So what was the formula again? How many valence electrons in free atom? 6 minus, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 6 minus 7, which is equal to minus 1. So the minus 1 charges are minus 1 by 1 oxygen, minus 1 by another oxygen. Hence overall charge on this is minus 2. The formal charge on carbon atom. So we know that carbon has how many valence electron? 4. So valence electrons in free atom are 4. Minus here how many are surrounding carbon atom? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So overall formal charge, when you add all this, what is the formal charge do you get? Minus 2. Hence we have represented it by minus 2 ion. So this is how you can find out the formal charge directly.
If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.